Hey, it's Chip Desire. The summertime is upon us. I want to share with you some of my favorite iOS, iPhone photography apps coming up next. All right, so here are a few of my photography apps that I really like. So the first one I want to go through is Snapseed. So let's go to Snapseed. I really like Snapseed because you can take a picture and really do almost anything with it. So let's go through some of the features of Snapseed. So we're not going to worry about that. We're going to go to our photo library. We're going to take a picture, and we're going to take a picture behind the scenes of my kid. Once we do that, we're going to click on that. And now with Snapseed, you can do automatic, you can do selective adjust, or fine-tune image. I'm just going to go ahead and hit selective adjust, and then it gives you instructions. All right. So, and then you can go up here to compare it. So if I want to tap, I can add, processing it, can make a few adjustments here. I can also do the automatic contrast. If I go left or right or go up and down, you can see different things that it can do if I go up and down here on the image. I really, really like that. If I want to compare before, I want to compare after, I can do that. If I need help, I can always go back to the help menu here in Snapseed. What I really like about Snapseed is it could do so many things. This is really, if I want to do a grunge look, it shows you. And the styles, the different styles you can do. And then once I'm done, I can process it real quick, and then I can click that button, and then I can take it to anywhere, any of these services. So that's Snapseed. So let's go back to see what other apps I have here. I really like Flickr. The new Flickr is very nice. I know that Yahoo is not the favorite of everyone, but I really like the way Flickr processes images, how you can see them, how they're big, and then how you can just navigate through this app. So I really use Flickr a lot to look through different photos and pros photos to see what's going on, and also to see all my photos as well. I can see all my sets and everything like that. So Flickr is another app that I use all of the time. All right, one of my next apps I really like is called Camera Plus. So let's open up Camera Plus. If you look right here, it's autofocus ring. So right now I am looking, it's a little latency here, but I'm looking at my deck. And if I want to autofocus it, just click right there. Let's say if I want to get that Starbucks cup. Get that Starbucks cup right there. It shows ISO. Then I can take that picture just like that. Can look at it here. That's a roll of film. Then it's in my light box, and then I can do a lot of different things with it. Once I'm in there, I can go back and edit it if I want to. Oh, that's another picture I took earlier. I can adjust it. I can do some other kind of effects here. A magic hour, intensity. So whatever I wanted to do with Camera Plus, that's another great app. You can also change the ISO on that. So I'm going to save all here. And then I'm going to save this to my camera roll. Hit OK. Saving that to my camera roll. All right, so next one I really like this one, DipTick, because this is where you can have fun. You can go ahead and post many pictures on here. It's one of my favorite apps by just posting different things, different pictures. If you want to put them all in a square, there's some pictures a little earlier of my kids. So if I want to just do some more stuff here with my kids, just put one in here. Once I get it in there, you can go ahead and adjust the camera. You can adjust the filter. You can flip it if you like. You can add another filter. All these things have filters. You can flip them again. And let's see if I want to flip her on that side. Then again, I can save it as a medium or large. So I really like that one. All right. So last but not least, let's go through Over. That's how you actually add text to pictures. I really, really like Over and how you can add text. So I'm going to click on this picture right here. All right, hit no. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit add text. And then I'm going to hit, hey, girls. All righty, hit done. Can move that text down. And then the great thing about this app is that once I move the text down, I can edit the size. I can even edit the font if I like. Say I like this blackout sunrise, ostrich sand. You know, you can put it where you want to put it, and then just click there and you hit save. Or you can share it to all of your favorite apps that you really like, all the favorite photo sharing apps that you like. So I'm out here outside on the porch just sharing some pictures. I wanted to just share it to Instagram. I could share it right there to Instagram, and it'll open right Instagram. All right, let's go back to Magic Hour. I like that a lot because it shows you where you are now, shows you when Magic Hour is. If you're taking pictures, especially if you know anything about Magic Hour, it's when the sun is at its peak, actually when it's setting, and it is not bright, and it's just perfect. About an hour before sunset or right before sunrise, and it shows you, and I get an alert. I can go get an alert about where I am, and then 60 minutes is going to send me a push notification. So I like that. That's free. Magic Hour. So one of the last apps I like is called Timestamp. And Timestamp takes a time picture of where you are. It has your location. It has even your address. It could be a little creepy, but let me just show you how it works here. Let's go through some of my pictures. And let's see. I just did one right here when I was at the Apple store. And it shows you right there. All right. So it went out for me. But hey, there it is right there at the Apple store, and it shows that the time and the date. So those are my camera apps that I really like for photography: Flickr, Camera Plus, Over, Magic Hour, Timestamp, Flickr, and Snapseed. What camera apps do you like on iPhone? I know there's so many. They're free, they're paid. Some of these are paid, some of them are free. But tell me what you like in the comments. I'll talk to you soon.